Hi everyone, welcome to Murthy IT. If you're watching first time my channel, please subscribe and please like my videos. If you have any doubts, in the description there is a Telegram link. So you can join in the Telegram Murthy IT group. There your doubts will be cleared. Any Java related doubts will be cleared there. Okay, please join in the description of the video. The link will be provided. Okay, so today I'm going to explain about factorial of a given number. So factorial means if we get any number, for that by decrementing one we need to do multiplication. For example, now we are taking 4. So 4 into 3, 4 threes are 12, 12 twos are 24, 24 ones are 24. So factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So if you take 10, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into like that, so on. Like that, we need to find the factorial. For that, how to write the logic? Let's discuss that point. So first of all, we need to take a variable for storing the results. For that purpose, I am taking a variable and I am taking a while loop. While n greater than or equal to 1. I want to execute the logic until the n greater than or equal to 1. So I am taking here fact equal to fact into 1 and n minus minus. Okay, simple. The logic is first n value is 4. So then finally we'll print the result after executing all the iterations. So I'm printing the final result. So here the first iteration 4 greater than or equal to 1. So it's true. Then it will enter into this loop and it will execute this first line. So fact equal to fact into n. In fact variable, what value is there? 1 is there. So 1 into 4. 1 into 4, the 4 value will be stored in fact variable. Fact variable. Now 1 into 4 equal to 4. Now 1 replaced by 4. Now n minus minus. We are doing n minus minus means 3. Now n value will be 3. Now 4 replaced by 3. So it is the first iteration. And the second iteration, what will be happen? So here 3 greater than or equal to 1. True. So in fact variable, what is there previously? 4 is there. 4 into currently n value is how much? 3. 4 threes are 12. So now 4 replaced by 12. In fact variable 12 will be replaced. Now n minus minus. So now currently n value is 3. It will become 2. Now again 2 greater than or equal to 1 or not. So now is true. In fact variable, what value is there? 12 is there. 12 into 2. 12 twos are 24. N minus minus 2 is there. 2 minus 1. 1. N value is 1. So like that, I am explaining here 1 or 2 iterations. So until this logic will be executed, n value becomes 1. For each iteration, I am decrementing the n value. So finally, it do this logic will do 4 into 3 into, first it is doing 4 into 1. It is storing fact variable. Next 4 into 3, it is storing in fact variable. Like that, for decrementing 1 and doing multiplication and storing into fact variable. That is the logic. Okay. So let's discuss programmatically how to do this. So as I explained, As I explained, first I am taking int fact equal to 1, and first of all we need to take input na int n equal to 4. You can take any number. If you are taking long range number means, for example, 30, 100, it has to calculate 100 into 99, so it will become big number. So if you have any idea to take a big number, then we need to take a long, then it will be, you will get the result, otherwise you will get 0. Okay, so if you try with big numbers, you try to take long. Okay, then while, so long is there, big int is there, so you can take, if you are trying to take with big numbers, you try to take with long or int or big, so long or big int we have. So now what I am telling here, n greater than or equal to 1. Now fact equal to fact into what? N. Now n minus minus. That's it, the logic. Now sys out. System dot out dot println factorial of what? Now finally n will become 0. No? N will become, finally it will be 1, right? Why? Because we are decrementing. I want to print factorial of 4 is. So factorial of given input. So we are decrementing each value. So for that, I take a temp number. So input. I am storing before decrementing. I am storing that n value into input variable. Why? Because I want to print factorial of given number is. That's why I am storing that given input into input variable. Then I am using that input variable here. So then is plus fact. That's it, the logic. Run as Java application. So factorial of 4 is 24. So if you give 10, factorial of 10. This is the factorial of 10. Okay, this is about simple factorial. So the requirement will come. So it is this logic for actually this logic for, I written the logic for by using recursion. No, it is normal logic. So I'll put this logic here in normal factorial. So it is normal factorial. Okay. So the requirement will come here. How to write the logic by using recursion. By using the recursion, how to write the logic. Previously, what I did, no, simply I did not see the class name. Here I write the logic. That logic I moved to factorial. That's it I did. Now we are going to discuss about factorial of a given number, how to write the logic by using recursion. Using recursion, how can we write? That logic we are going to write now. Okay, recursion means the method itself, it has to call until get the result. So simply here input same, I'm taking logic will be same, but without using any loops we need to write. Okay, so now I'm taking as usual fact equal to 1. So this variable we need to take at a class level variable. Why? Because if you take method level, no, it will be initialized with one only. So it's recommended to take at a class level. So now I want to create this method. So the method has return type. So I'm calling this method factorial in system.out. Final result will be written and printed by using system.out.println. So now I am taking this method. So if number is greater than or equal to 1, until if number greater than or equal to 1, then until this condition is true, I want to calculate the factorial. So now fact equal to fact into 1. So then afterwards, I want to call this method self, the method itself. So, and I want to, once this logic is finished and calculating everything, this condition, whenever it is true, whenever it is false, whenever it is false, then I want to, then on that time, the complete factorial calculation will be done. So now see, I am calculating, I am calling this method by passing n equal to 4. So now your condition will check is condition is 4 greater than or equal to 1 or not. Yes, true. Then what will be happen? Your fact equal to fact into n. Fact variable what value is there? 1. 1 into 4. Then 4 value will be placed in fact variable. Now I am calling. So here n minus means the value will go with here not 4. N minus means not 4. It is 3. Just a second. Let me correct this. It will be 3, right? It will be 3. It will be 3. So it will be still where you are. So pardon. Yeah. Now this method will be called by decrementing 1. So again, now it will be checked with 3 greater than or equal to 1 or not. Yes, true. Now fact equal to fact into n. Fact into n. Now fact into n. So now currently number value is how much, sir? 3. Na? Now 4 into 3. So in previously factorial variable 4 value is there. 4 into 3, 12. Now 12 will be placed by replacing by 4. 12. Now again it will call itself by passing 3. N minus means 3 minus 1. Now 2 will come here. 2 greater than or equal to 1. Yes, true. Now fact equal to fact into n. So previously how much is there? It is 12. 12 into 2, 24. Now 2 minus by passing 1, it will be passed. Now 1 greater than or equal to 1, true or not true. So here like that. So finally 0 will come. 0 is greater than or equal to 1 or not? False. Then whenever this if condition is false, then it returns the factorial result. Then factorial result will pass to here if output will be printed. That's it, the logic. So I am just for one loop, for one iteration, I'm explaining. For the other iteration, just I'm telling that the flow will be, the execution will be executed in that format. I think so. You are following me. So if you are getting any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. Okay. Now shall we go with the programmatically how to write? So as I told, class level take a variable static. I am taking static. I want to create a method, a factorial method. No, I want to create a static method. Static int n equal to, static into fact equal to static into fact equal to 1. Now I am taking a method public static int factorial int name. Then I am writing that logic. If number greater than or equal to 1, then fact equal to fact into number. Then factorial of num minus. Then finally written fact. So now I am taking int input. I am taking int n equal to 4. This is the input. Now system dot out dot println sys out. Call that method by passing 4 factorial of n. Simply, that's it, the logic. So run as Java application. Just a second, something happened. Let me rerun. Run as Java application. What is the issue? What is the issue actually? What is the issue? Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow. Why Stack Overflow? I am getting why I am getting Stack Overflow here. Okay. What happening? Let's debug. Let's run in debug mode. I want to fix that. It's running in Stack Overflow. So let's check. Debug as their condition. Okay. Number greater than or equal to number greater than or equal to 1 n minus number minus I am doing. So debug as Java application. So by passing n, it is coming. So number variable, what is there? 4 is there. Okay. Now fact equal to fact into none. Fact variable. So in fact variable, what value is there, sir? Display. 4 is there. Okay. Fact variable 4 is there. Now number variable 3. It should be 3, no? Why it is going as 4 only? Number minus I am sending, no? I'm sending as number minus. Still number value is 3. Why it is going? 4. Why it is 4? It's cute. So it is not decrementing, sir. That is the case. So for that, what I do, number equal to number minus 1. Simple logic I write. Maybe it's working like post increment. So post increment it's working. So simply I added. Just skip this. Now check. Run as Java application. Now it's working. So either we can put no here instead of post increment, we can put post decrement. I mean, instead of post decrement, we can put pre increment. Then it will work. Pre increment we need to put pre increment. So post incremented means after using it will be incremented. No? After using it will be incremented. So now we can put pre-increment. There itself, it has to decrement, increment not decrement. It has to be decrement and the value should be passed. So small correction here, it should be pre-decrement. Okay. Yeah, I think so. You are enjoyed. So even I am pausing here 10. So run as Java application. Okay. Thanks everyone. If you are watching first time, please subscribe and please like my videos. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.